Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about the difference between phrases and clauses. Let's start with its definition. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of two or more words functioning as a meaningful unit within a sentence or clause. A phrase is a part of a sentence which consists of group of words that give more information about the subject, action or event in a sentence. A phrase cannot stand on its own and will not convey meaning if separated from the sentence. Let's explain the types of phrase. According to the kind of function it does, it can be classified into various types, which are noun phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, prepositional phrase, adjective phrase. Now we will discuss clauses. What are clauses? A clause is also a part of sentence that consists of a subject and a verb, unlike phrases. They can be classified into two main types depending on how they behave in a sentence. The types of clauses are main clause or independent clause, subordinate clause or dependent clause. Main clause does not have subtypes, but subordinate clause have subtypes, which are noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Coming to the main difference between clause and phrase. A phrase does not have a subject and predicate, but a clause have a subject and a predicate. The second difference between phrase and clause are a phrase is not complete, cannot make sense and convey meaning if it stands on its own. But a clause, in some cases, a clause can look complete, convey meaning and make sense when separated from the sentence. The third difference between phrase and clause are there are few types of phrases, namely noun phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase and prepositional phrase. The type of clauses are there are two types of clauses, namely independent clause and dependent clause. The examples of phrases are there is unified vehicle in front of our house. And the example of clause are I am sick, so I am going to see the doctor. Now you will check your understanding of phrases and clauses by identifying the phrases and clauses in the following sentences and state which of them is phrase and a clause. Comment the answers in comment box and I hope you will understand the difference between phrases and clauses by this lecture, and it makes you to differentiate between phrases and clauses and find the phrases and clauses in different sentences. Thank you for watching. This is enough for today. We will meet in our next video with an informative session which helps you to increase in your knowledge.